It's time to buckle up your seatbelts. The rest of September, and most likely the year, will be a wild ride for electric vehicle stocks. The leading EV company, Tesla, is about to have a massive week, which will undoubtedly prompt volatility in the sector as a whole. What is going on, Moon Gang? I hope you're having a great day. My name is Matt, and in this video, I will be discussing what Tesla has going on this upcoming week, what analysts have recently been saying about the company, and of course, I'll share my opinion on Tesla stock for both the short and long time frame. Before we dive into it, if you enjoy this type of stock market related content, it would be truly appreciated if you could drop a like because it really helps with getting this video in front of other people. And if you want to be a member of the Moon Gang, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my updates about Workhorse, NIO, or Hyliion. With that out of the way, let's get started. To give you a better foundation for this video, you should know that Tesla, which trades under the ticker TSLA, ended the third trading week of September at $442. On the month, the stock is down 12%, but since the start of 2020, the stock is up an incredible 452%. I'm going to say it right here, right now, forever to be on the internet, but next week will be massive for Tesla. As I was doing research for this video, I came across grandiose titles that included things such as potentially narrative changing and linchpin event and transformative in nature. They are all referring to Tesla's Battery Day, which is on Tuesday, September 22nd, and I must admit, I do think it will be a big deal. For those of you interested, the event will be live streamed. I'll personally be watching it because I think that there's a good chance that the celebrity CEO Elon Musk will have some important announcements. This event will most likely provide us with updates related to the technological advancements of the car's range and battery charging. I'm sure there'll be a discussion about upcoming models. Many analysts and investors are expecting the announcement of a 1,000,000-mile battery, but with all that going on, I'll be paying attention for two key things. The first is any discussion about Project Roadrunner. This project is Tesla's initiative to create a battery that is at or less than $100 per kilowatt hour. This price target for batteries is so important because it would enable electric vehicles to reach a price parity with gasoline cars with no subsidies. When you combine this with mass production, it's essentially the holy grail of EV adoption. The second thing I'll be listening for are any updates on Tesla's potential entrance into the world of ride sharing. Beyond being incredibly disruptive to both Uber and Lyft, this market segment could be a huge source of revenue for Tesla in the years to come. It would be so incredibly cool if Tesla lays the foundation now and in the future is able to offer us autonomous ride sharing. Obviously, if this becomes a reality, it will be years in the future, but the success of Project Roadrunner could be announced any day. So make sure you're listening for both of these things on Battery Day. I do think it's noteworthy that two analysts raised their price target on Tesla a week before its Battery Day event, which once again is on Tuesday, September 22nd. The first is Dan Ives from Wedbush. After citing stronger than expected deliveries in China, he moved his price target up almost $100 by going from $380 to $475. He believes that China is a key market for Tesla that can make up 40% of global sales as early as 2022. The second analyst is Alex Potter, who works for Piper Sandler. He is now targeting $515 after citing a more upbeat outlook on Tesla Energy and Elon Musk's stock-based compensation package. To sum up Alex's opinions, he believes that Tesla Energy will generate a revenue greater than $200 billion a year within the next decade, and in terms of Elon's compensation, which could amount to $2.3 billion, it shouldn't impact the company that much as long as they time it properly. ARK Invest has been outspokenly bullish on Tesla. When you take the recent stock split into account, their 2024 price target is $1,400, their bear case is $300, and their bull case is $3,000. This graphic is a more detailed breakdown of what ARK Invest is looking for and the associated price target. If you're a Tesla investor, I would highly recommend reading this article, which can easily be found with a Google search. ARK Invest offers 5 different active ETFs, and ARQ is their autonomous technology and robotics ETF. At the time that I'm making this video, Tesla is the #1 holding in this fund at 10.6% and 160,000 shares. I know that there's a lot of information out there saying that Tesla is fundamentally overvalued. I would agree with that if I thought that Tesla were a basic automotive company, but they're not. Beyond upending multiple industries, Tesla has an immense amount of potential, and that's exactly what you're investing in when you buy shares of the company. I think that it's super cool that more and more analysts are starting to agree with this argument. It's not just about what the company has done, it's about what they're about to do. For those of you interested in the technicals of Tesla's chart, the first support would come at the low of September, which was 330, and this point also served as resistance in July. Below that, I would recommend paying attention to 273, which was support on multiple occasions. And in terms of resistance, I would pay attention to how the stock reacts to the recent high at 462 and then the all-time high and psychological level of 500. To give you a better idea of what could happen because of Battery Day, the first resistance would be a gain of 4.5%, the $500 level would be a gain of 13%, and the second analyst had a price target of 515, which would be a gain of 16%. And if you think that ARK Invest's 2024 target of $1,400 is accurate, that would be a gain of over 300%. Personally, I think that $1,400 price target is more than fair, and on more of a shorter time frame, by this December, I'm expecting Tesla to cross 500 and maybe even 525 if the overall stock market can keep it together. Overall, I think that Tesla is an excellent company and it has a very bright future. I'm personally bullish on the stock in both the short and long time frame, but I don't think that this particular investment is for the faint of heart because I'm expecting a lot of volatility. There are some big announcements coming out very shortly, so make sure to pay attention to the news. But with all that being said, I'm not a financial advisor and these are just my personal opinions, so make sure to do your own research. But I would love to know your thoughts on the company in a comment below, and also feel free to post any suggestions or recommendations for what I should cover next. If you're looking for a group of traders who talk about this type of stuff on a daily basis, I would recommend SMD Trading. There's a link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching until the end. I truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to join the Moon Gang, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching, and until next time, best of luck in the markets.